What is Bitcoin? What does Bitcoin do? Is it perfect? Neither was email when it was invented in 1972.
The correlation and the historical price of Bitcoin are projecting Bitcoin to hit $1 million within 8 years.
Most people are watching the same 5 coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and whatever is trending on social media this week. But right now, in 2026, there are projects quietly building something real. Something that most retail investors have completely missed. And some of the smartest money in the world has already started moving in. This is not a video about meme coins or get-rich-quick schemes. This is a breakdown of 5 cryptocurrency projects that deserve serious attention in 2026, but are flying under the radar. By the end of this video, you will understand what each one does, why it matters, and what makes it worth watching. Make sure you stay until number 1, because that one surprised even us. Before we get into the list, one important reminder: this video is for educational purposes only. Crypto is still one of the riskiest asset classes in the world. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that said, let us get into the 5 coins nobody is talking about in 2026. Number 5. Render Network, also known as RNDR. Artificial intelligence is everywhere right now. Every major tech company is pouring billions of dollars into AI tools and AI-generated content. But here is the problem most people do not see. All of that AI needs enormous computing power to run. And right now, there is a massive shortage of GPU power, which is the type of chip that AI needs most. NVIDIA chips are selling out. Data centers are overwhelmed. Demand is growing faster than supply can keep up. This is exactly where Render Network comes in. Render is a decentralized platform that connects people who need GPU computing power with people who have spare GPU capacity sitting unused. Think of it like Airbnb, but instead of renting out rooms, people are renting out the processing power of their graphics cards. Artists, developers, and AI companies use Render to run heavy tasks without paying the huge prices of traditional cloud services. The people renting out their GPUs earn RNDR tokens in return. What makes Render interesting in 2026 is that the demand for GPU computing is not slowing down, it is accelerating. As AI tools become more complex, the need for distributed computing power is only going to grow. Render already has a working network with real users paying for real services. That combination of real demand and real infrastructure is rare in this space. Number 4. Sei Network. Most people have heard of Ethereum and Solana when it comes to fast blockchains, but there is a newer network that was specifically built for one purpose, and that purpose is trading. Sei Network is a layer 1 blockchain designed from the ground up to handle high-speed financial transactions. It was built to be the fastest trading infrastructure in all of crypto. The reason this matters is simple. When thousands of people are all trying to buy or sell a coin at the same time, most blockchains get congested, transactions slow down, fees go up, prices move before your order even gets filled. Sei was built to solve exactly that problem. It uses a matching engine built directly into the blockchain itself, meaning trades can be matched and settled far faster than on a general-purpose chain. But here is the part that surprises most people. Sei is not just fast, it is also developer-friendly, meaning builders are starting to choose Sei when they want to create trading apps and financial tools. In 2026, as more capital flows into on-chain finance, the platforms that can handle serious trading volume are going to matter a lot. Sei is positioning itself as one of those platforms, and most casual crypto followers have barely heard the name. Number 3. Celestia. This one is more technical, but stay with us because it is important. In the crypto world, most blockchains have to handle 3 jobs at once. They store data, they process transactions, and they keep everything secure. Trying to do all 3 at once makes blockchains slow and expensive. Celestia was built around one simple but powerful idea. What if a blockchain only had to do one job? Celestia is what is called a modular blockchain. Its only job is to handle data availability. It stores and orders the data that other blockchains need without trying to process or execute anything itself. Other blockchains can plug into Celestia and use it as a foundation, which makes them faster, cheaper, and easier to build. Think of it like a highway system for blockchains. Celestia builds the road and other projects drive on it. The reason this matters in 2026 is that the crypto world is moving fast toward a multi-chain future. There are hundreds of new blockchains being built every year, and most of them need a reliable foundation. Celestia is quietly becoming that foundation. The developers building next-generation crypto applications are paying close attention, but on YouTube, Twitter, and Reddit, almost nobody is talking about it yet. Number 2. Injective Protocol. There is a blockchain that was built specifically for finance. Not general apps, not gaming, not social media. pure financial infrastructure. It is called Injective, and in 2026, it is doing things that most DeFi platforms can only dream about. Injective is a Layer 1 blockchain focused entirely on decentralized finance. It supports spot trading, futures trading, options, and synthetic assets, all on a chain that settles transactions in less than a second with essentially zero gas fees. Gas fees are the small charges you pay every time you do a transaction on a blockchain. On Ethereum, those fees can sometimes cost more than the actual trade itself. On Injective, they are nearly nothing. What really sets Injective apart is its burn mechanism. Every week, a portion of the fees collected across the Injective ecosystem are used to buy back and permanently destroy INJ tokens. This slowly reduces the total supply over time, which is the kind of built-in economic pressure that long-term investors pay close attention to. The project has been growing its partnerships, trading volume, and developer activity consistently through 2025 and into 2026. But because it lives in the more technical corner of crypto, the mainstream crowd has mostly ignored it. And now, number 1, Fetch.ai. Artificial intelligence and blockchain are two of the biggest technology stories of this decade. Most people have heard about both separately, but very few are paying attention to what happens when you combine them. That is exactly what Fetch.ai is trying to do, and it may be one of the most ambitious projects in all of crypto right now. Fetch.ai is building a network of autonomous AI agents. These are small software programs that can act on behalf of users to complete tasks, make decisions, and interact with other systems without needing constant human input. Imagine an AI agent that monitors your crypto portfolio and automatically rebalances it when conditions change. Or an agent that books travel for you by negotiating with other agents representing airlines and hotels. The vision is a world where AI agents handle repetitive tasks of everyday life and where those agents can transact with each other using blockchain technology. Here is the part that most people miss. Fetch.ai merged with two other AI-focused blockchain projects, Ocean Protocol and SingularityNet, to form the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. Together, these three projects represent one of the largest collaborations in crypto focused specifically on AI and decentralized technology. The combined token is called ASI. This is not a small experiment. This is a serious attempt to build infrastructure for the AI-powered future. In 2026, as AI becomes more integrated into daily life, the question of who controls AI systems is becoming incredibly important. Fetch.ai and the ASI Alliance are building answers to those questions on open, decentralized infrastructure. That combination of real technology, real partnerships, and real-world timing is exactly why this project sits at the top of this list. So there you have it. 5 coins doing genuinely interesting things in 2026 while most of the crypto world is focused elsewhere. Render Network is capturing the AI computing boom. CI is building the fastest trading infrastructure in crypto. Celestia is quietly becoming the backbone for next-generation blockchains. Injective is running serious financial infrastructure with almost no fees. And Fetch.ai is working on something that could sit right at the center of how AI and blockchain evolve together. None of these are guarantees. Crypto moves fast, and even strong projects can face setbacks. But if you are looking for projects with real technology, real use cases, and real teams working towards something meaningful, these 5 are worth your time to research. Always go deeper before putting any money in. If this video opened your eyes to something new, hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second and it helps this channel reach more people who are trying to learn about crypto the smart way. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the next video. Drop a comment below telling us which of these 5 coins you already knew about and which one was completely new to you. We read every single comment and your answer might shape our next video. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.